Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2002 Honda Civic Ex, and the owner of the car complaint is that sometimes when she starts the car it doesn't want to start at all, and when she started and when she's in the store she's afraid to turn it off. So the first thing I did was just to go check the battery just to see if there's any corrosions around, and it's actually pretty clean. So what I did was I checked this wire right here, and you see how this wire is split. It's split right here, and the negative one, it is broken, completely ready to go. Now if you look at the wire, it goes all the way down, and if you see down there, you see how, let me put my hand, you see how it's broken. So what are we gonna, it's broken right here. See it? So now if you have a problem starting your car, check your terminal, check your battery, and see if the cables are connected, if the posts are corroded. And in this situation, as you see, they are split right here, and this one is broken. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna replace the negative one, because it's the only one I have right now. And then what we're gonna do on my next video, hopefully I'm gonna split these, because we still got some movement on it. We're gonna split it and put a new post on this. Now the other thing that I saw is that this battery is loose, so somehow we're gonna have to tie it, get something to hold it. But for now, what I'm gonna do is change the negative cable. Okay my friend, the first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. This one right here was already loose, so we just take it out. We're gonna deposit it. We're gonna use a 10mm socket. Take it out, loosen it up, bring it up, bring the battery
loose.
Yep. Okay.
Oh my God.
Now the next thing we're gonna do, point in here, mama. Come here. Right in here. Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use take the old screw out. We're gonna use the same 10mm. Gonna loosen that up.
That's the yucky one?
Yeah, that's the yucky one. And you see how the wires is broken? Pointing right here, mama. See how it's broken? So this is the reason why we're replacing it, because there's no connection. So we're just gonna take this one out. Oh, the screw fell down, so we're gonna have to get that later, Rose. Go get it. Yeah. Okay, so now we took that out, and look how it looks. And look how it's looking. It was all corroded.
Yeah.
So now there's one here. So for you can see a good view, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the air filter, this tube right here off. Point over here, mama.
Yeah.
We're gonna take this off. I dropped the.
Oh God.
I'm dropping everything, mama.
You alright?
Yeah. Well, I got it. So what we're gonna do is put a long extension, and we're gonna take this screw out of here. Let me just point the way it's at, mama. Don't go nowhere. We're gonna take that 10mm off. The reason why I'm taking this off is I want you to see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna take that screw out and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, there goes the screw. It's actually like this long. Look at this. It's very long. You just leave it there. You don't want to take it out. The next thing you want to do, we're going to take this whole tube out. And what we're going to do is just connect it from here. Be careful. This is like a clip. This clip just holding it. And what you want to do is pop it up. There you go. You see it? So now that's off. And all you're going to do is hoping that we pull it off from here. It's actually supposed to have a clamp here. It doesn't have the clamp. What you're gonna do, just pull it. It's missing the clamp. This clamp's supposed to be here to hold it tight, but it's missing. So what we're gonna do is just push that. There's a 10 millimeter, but there's only a clip this. So what you gotta do is pull it up, and here it goes. It's out. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take that 10 millimeter out of there. It looks like a 10. Okay, so we're gonna be taking out this 10 millimeter nut out of here. Now, excuse me, bowl. Kind of rusty in there.
Can I tell my YouTube friends something?
Go ahead, tell them something. This thing is stripping here.
You know, me and my dad are going to a wedding.
Hopefully we can finish and go to the wedding nice and clean.
Yeah.
Unless you want to go dirty.
No.
You don't want to go dirty?
No.
Okay.
I think go pretty.
Yeah. We want to go pretty? Both of us?
No, you look pink.
You're going to be dressed in pink. Are you pointing right here, Mama, down there?
Yeah.
Okay. We want them to see everything. So here you go. We disconnected everything.
Ew.
And look how corroded
That's nasty.
and it's broken.
That's
So what we're going to do is
nasty.
connect the new one. And she shouldn't have no problem. And then we'll fix this one. So we got the new cable right here. This one is longer than the previous one. You see how the previous one, how thin it was. Let me show you right here. So this is the cable here. And this is the new one. It's a little longer. See it? So what we're going to do is connect it right there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, my friend, once you finish there, just want to tie that up. You want it to be nice and tight. You don't want it to be loose. Now I'm going to have to get a bracket for that. I should have got a bracket. I don't have the bracket now. I'm going to let her know the bracket should go here to hold it, for it won't be moving. So what I'm going to do for now, just going to put the 10 millimeter back. So we just put that there for now to hold it. And what we're gonna do is connect everything back. We'll connect the hose back. Make sure that this piece right here goes right in here. And if you can see that, right in here. So you want this piece first to go in here. You want all this to go under. That piece will go in there. You press it in. There you go. Then what you want to do is, once you do that, you want to put this back in there. Push it in. Push it all the way in. So here you go, my friends. I didn't have a metal clamp, so I just put this plastic in there. That should hold on really nice. Take this off. Okay. Next thing we have to do is do the 10mm bolt that's here. That's the long one. Make sure everything's connected correctly. See, that's connected there. Make sure you connect this back in there. That's connected. Everything is connected. Negative batteries here. Negative cable. So now what we're gonna do is put the battery back on. Okay, so we're gonna put the battery back. Make sure that the positive is in this side and the negative is over here. And we're going to start connecting them. Connected the positive. Screwing back the 10mm. Okay. This one. By the way, this is a half inch. And if you're not using this, just tape it up. See how it was broken before? And look at how nice it looks now. Take a wire. And for the next one, what we have to do is just get some new posts. We're just gonna cut it here. But for now, we did the negative one. Somehow, she's gonna have to get a bracket to tie this up. If not, it's gonna keep moving, and it's gonna break just like this one. Okay, my friends. So now we change the negative cable. As you saw, we had a 10mm bolt right there. The 10mm, the one that's shining down there, that's 2, and 1 in the side I was holding this cable. Now, when you take this one off, you have to take this whole plastic thing off. You have to take it off in order to get in there. Now, if your car is not starting, the first thing you should do is always check your battery post, your battery terminals, check your cable, check your battery. But in this situation, as you saw, you see how corroded this one was. See how this wire was, how corroded it was. It was broken right there. It was already broken there. And then this one, as you can see how it's broken there. So my next step is we don't need a new wire. What we're going to do on this one, the one in the bottom is holding. This one has to be changed pretty soon. What I'm going to do is when she gets the part, I'm going to cut this part right here. And I'm going to put one of these posts in it. Sooner or later, she's not going to be able to start at all. So what we're going to do is cut it and go from there. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. Or contact me at nonmechanic101 at yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101 at yahoo.com. Later.